How do you retire before 60? Now let's talk a little bit about this, and I've talked about it in previous videos, but let's talk about our financial system. I want to make sure you understand that most everything that is set up through employers and or through investment houses are qualified accounts. Okay, what is a qualified account? Well, that's an account that's deferred, where you don't pay taxes and that you pay taxes at the end. Well, imagine if you're putting in $300 a month, you're saving about 25 bucks, but at the end when you're sitting on $100,000, you're going to have to pay 20%. So that's a qualified account. Non-qualified accounts a lot of times are in brokerage houses, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, things that are going to be invested, but they're variable accounts, which means they go up and down with the market. And as you can see, the market is very volatile right now. Okay, so how do we navigate through that, especially if we want to retire before 60? Well, first and foremost, what is available to you? You really want to ask those questions. What can I do outside of just saving money? Well, when you save money in a bank, it isn't growing. So that isn't going to work. What we do have available is LIRPs, life insurance retirement plans, where you scale it based on your current income, your current disposable income. As you age and as you get older, you're able to increase that and basically invest it into an index account or utilize it as part of an insurance product where it grows and allows you to pull money out tax-free at a later date. That could be age 50, it could be age 55, or even beyond. Well, I use mine, which I started when I was in my 20s, to buy a second house, put my kids through school, and so forth. So a lot of it has a lot of flexibility, but you really want to understand what it entails, what LIRPs are really designed to do. We call it a LIRP because it's a life insurance retirement plan under the umbrella of an insurance product. But more importantly, you want to understand where you're at, when do I want to retire, what type of accounts I have, what are the tax implications, when can I actually pull money out, do I have to pay penalties, excess taxes, and so forth. You really need to ask yourself or find somebody that can answer those questions. Ask yourself, what do I do? What do I need to do? Well, reach out. I'll answer all your questions. You can talk to your CPA, you can talk to your financial advisor, but I encourage you to take control of your future, especially if you want to retire before 60. Because if not, you're working till 60 or even beyond that. And that we do not want. So you want options in life. I encourage you to create them, reach out, schedule a meeting below, and we'll be happy to help you.